This video is going to help you to learn how to operate our YYG Energy Baby launches on March 10th. What actually is YYG Energy Baby? Users can DeFi to earn profit by holding YYG token and YYG Energy Baby NFT. YYG Energy Baby is built on Binance Smart Chain. This video will teach you how to buy BNB from Binance Exchange. Binance is currently the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Go to Binance homepage. Click Debit Credit Card. Select BNB. Enter the amount you want to buy. The system will automatically exchange the required fee for the algorithm currency. Press the OK button to complete the purchase. Next, we're going to transfer your BNB on Binance to TP Wallet. Download TP Wallet. After entering the TP Wallet, press Details. Copy wallet address. Next, open Binance. Click on Funds in the lower right corner. Click to withdraw and choose BNB. Choose to send over an encrypted network. Copy and paste the address you just copied from the TP Wallet. Select BNB Smart Chain as the main net type. Enter the amount you want to transfer to the TP Wallet. After confirming, press the Withdraw button in the lower right corner. This completes the action of withdrawing BNB to the wallet. Next, we'll explain how to get started to operate. First, you'll have to get YYG tokens. Open the TP wallet you have downloaded. Click Plus Custom Tokens to add tokens. Enter the YYG token contract address. After the input, the YYG token options will pop up, indicating that the addition is successful. After adding YYG tokens successfully, enter the page of YYG Energy Baby. Click the option Discover in the middle of the row below. Enter YYG Energy Baby's link above. After entering to the screen, click on Exchange. After entering the page, enter the amount you need to buy. Buying a YYG Energy Baby NFT will cost the equivalent of 100 YYG of Binance coins. It costs 20 YYG to open the card slot. After entering, press the buttons by the order below. Swap, confirm swap, enter the payment password. If the screen pops up, it means that the purchase of YYG token is successful. The mystery box will be displayed under Public Sale. Select the amount you want to mint. After purchase, YYG Energy Baby will be displayed in your wallet. Next, you can DeFi your YYG Energy Baby. Go back to the main page, click Mining. Scroll down and click on Approve NFT for mining. Spend 20 YYG will be displayed after paying the miner fee. This is because it costs 20 YYG to open a card slot for a level. After the payment is completed, the screen will be displayed and you can start inserting. After inserting the YYG Energy Baby NFT you hold into the card slot, click Submit to start DeFi. Here you'll see the earnings started to show.